in relation to overloading. Nakita ko may operation sa LTO, may operation man sa TTMO. Just like what I was saying, pwede gid nila yung madakop kung gusto nila. I hope it will be sustained, no? Consistency all throughout. As to the call of our TTMO head nga kung pwede dapat dungangan ang units, we also support that. In fact, based on our LPTRP and the franchises awarded to each and every cooperative, may number of units required na sila that they must comply and operate. No, and admittedly kadamo pa sila ang either kulang or under repair ang iban, and wala pa nila na comply na. So I hope they can. Pero kung magkotol mo naman, there are dynamics to it which I'm also aware of. Ngati syempre they need to loan, they need to buy more units. There are a lot of dynamics, but as far as we are concerned, being the end user, the City of Iloilo deserves kung ano yung commitment based on franchise. No? Ang aton assistance sila in terms of all the other things, no? Bulig na lang naton, pero actually yung may commitment kidara sa nagperma sa prangkisa kag naghatag sa prangkisa.
Last time you mentioned, Councilor, ni i-planchahon ang LPTRP. May mga long-term solutions na kita so far for this overloading issue and other mga problems na nag-arise.
June na gid man siya, kay 3 years nang aton enhanced LPTRP. So June na gid man siya for review. At the same time, the OTR together with the LTFRB and the World Bank was here, I don't know, a week ago, and we are exchanging emails. They had some proposal. So again, it's a step in the right direction. Hopefully ma-carry through pag matapos. No, nag-meet sila with the mayor, nag-meet man sila sa Amon and some with Transport Co-op. They were very welcoming with their ideas. No, I think hindi ko pa ma-reveal totally, pero isa lang siguro ang ginhambal nila. It was really big gap nga gin-entrust, ginhatag sa kooperatiba ang prangkisa, ang ruta, kag sila ginpautang na may assumption nga mabaydan nila. That assumption is the one that will be addressed by this new scheme nila. Ang assumption nga masarangan baydan ang tanan nga mga buses. So kung ma-address nila na, then a lot will be solved. Aware man kita sang kalakalan on the ground, especially sa pang overload. May ara-dira kay tungod nga may boundary system, may commission basis gyapon, kay may ginalagas nga balayran. So kung ma-address nila ang assumption nga as to whether or not kaya bayran sa taga kooperatiba ang ila taga gina-loan or ginabakal nga salakyan, then it will carry us a long way in terms of addressing many of our concerns. Nga ma-overload ka pa kung kaya mo man baydan, nga haras-haras ka pa sa dalan kung kaya mo man, kung kaya man subsidize ng gobyerno ang inyong mga salakyan. So these are things nga we're hoping. But at this stage, it's all conversations. I've not seen anything on paper pa. No? Meaning engagement pa lang, initial engagement. But they're looking at Iloilo City as one of their main pilots for this.
Sir, under sa LPTRP ordinance, gintagaan sang number of units ang co-op per routes. Is it hindi na siya brother violation sa aton nga LPTRP ang until now non-compliance sang co-op nga ma-kompleto nila ang ilang units per route?
Yes, but basically they're directly violating their franchise awarded, the franchise awarded to them. Tandaan mo ang aton LPTRP, we made a plan, we specified the number of units and the route. So ginpa-approve sa LTFRB sa DOTR. And DOTR among nagahatag sa prangkisa sa taga-unit. So paghatag isang prangkisa, there's a commitment there, no? You deliver the franchise requirements, meaning serbisyuhan mong ruta sang maayo, and ultimately provide enough units based on the approved plan. So but sino ang gina-violate nila yung ila franchise, which kung ilang taon mo, ang penalty supposedly is either reprimand, suspension, or revocation of franchise award sa mas makahatag. But it's more complicated than a direct line solution to it, to be honest. Pero kung may gina-violate, it's really the franchise provided by LTFRB. Kaya ang nag-apply, may pag-apply mo ba na commit kayo, nagambal ka nga kaya ko serbisyuhan, kaya ko i-provide yung unit. Kung ano man ang resulta thereafter, imo na, kaya ikaw yung nag-apply. Now, that's kung wala lang ta personal relasyon sa tagsa-tagsa, amo na iya dapat, di ba? Amo na on paper. No, ang franchise na playan mo, ikaw nagambal nga gusto mo na, i-deliver mo na, why mo na-deliver, so may violation ka of your franchise commitments. So, dapat ang DOTR yung may regulatory, the Land Transportation Franchising Regulatory Board, to regulate the franchises that are not giving the deliverables or assist them kung nabudlayan gid sila.
Councilor